livable, and sustainable cities. But let's pause for a moment. As impressive as these AI-driven solutions are, we must be mindful of the challenges they present. Data privacy, algorithmic bias, unequal access to technology, these are all issues that need to be addressed as we move towards the AI-powered city of the future. However, the quest for the perfect AI-powered city is not without challenges. Data privacy, algorithmic bias, and unequal access to technology are significant hurdles. As we chart our course towards AI-powered cities, we must confront these challenges head-on. While AI can optimize our urban landscapes, it also raises questions about who controls our data, who benefits from it, and who might be left out. Take data privacy. As our cities become more connected, vast amounts of data are being generated. But who's keeping an eye on our information? Then there's algorithmic bias. If unchecked, AI systems could perpetuate existing inequalities, creating a city that works better for some than others. And let's not forget about unequal access to technology. The digital divide could turn into a chasm, leaving behind those who can't afford or access the latest tech. But it's not just about addressing these challenges. We also need to nurture the human elements of city life, our cultural vibrancy, spontaneous interactions, and community spirit. Alongside these technological advancements, navigating this complex urban landscape requires a collaborative approach. Urban planners, technologists, city officials, and residents must work together to shape our city's future. The path towards the future of urban living hinges on the responsible and ethical use of AI. It's not just about integrating technology, it's about ensuring that this technology serves every resident, respects our privacy, and upholds our rights. Public engagement is paramount. We need to create spaces where everyone can voice their thoughts on the AI-powered solutions being implemented in their neighborhoods. We must foster a culture of transparent data governance where every byte of information used to shape our cities is accounted for and protected. Continuous evaluation of AI-driven solutions is crucial. We can't just set and forget. We need to constantly monitor, tweak, and improve these systems, ensuring they are meeting their goals and benefiting all residents equally. Ultimately, the journey towards the AI-powered city is about harnessing technology to make our cities more livable, sustainable, and equitable, where urban life thrives.